Hi there, Retro Tech Ralph here. I'm going to do a review. I've barked off about a gadget I've had in the garage for, I've had this at least 6 months, maybe longer. But it's been an absolute chuffing godsend. Most people will clean out a computer, they'll get the PC, they'll spray it all out with compressed gas from a can. This is as good, if not better. I'd say it's a lot better than, because it's fully electric. It just blows air out. It's a backwards vacuum cleaner. The CompuClean. This model number is... oh my goodness. Doesn't say. So model's the EG series. I assume you can get better than this. It's itdusters.com. But I've had this for ages, and I thought I might as well just do a review of it. Right, all you get to start with is the main bulk of it. It looks like a silly little water bottle, maybe like a watering can or something, with a switch on the top. Power lead, there's loads of cable that comes with it, and a knot. And I've got a UK plug because I'm in the UK. Other plugs are available in your region. So, your basic idea of it is plug it in. It goes this. It will... demonstration. It blows. It sucks in through the bottom. There's a sponge filter on the bottom there. Stops crap going through. And then this has only been... this empties out every so often anyway. Beauty of it is, clean out that. See? Not bad. A little bit of fluff and hair in there what's picking out. But... standard sponge filter goes in the bottom, just wedge it in any old how, stops a lot of crap going through the system. See, done. Now this comes with different attachments. CompuClean, fine, it will do loads of the just blow sort of, I'll clean the garage out every so often, just blow everything off the sides, and it's going to flow back up quite easily. Saves going through all the little nooks and bloody whatevers though, doesn't it? So this comes with your high pressure output unit. Also comes with this nozzle here. Now it just basically narrows down, put it in, 2 tabs, 2 holes, put it, turn, locks in place. And it makes the airflow thinner, which then makes it more powerful to come out. One nozzle. Also comes with another nozzle, a wider nozzle, for doing wider blowing, to be honest, cleaning. Nozzle 2. We have a brush nozzle, which goes on this third one. Actually, it doesn't. Where's that brush one go to? Ah, see? I use this one a lot, so much that I've actually broke it already when I dropped it on the floor. Not to do with the build quality, I broke it, I've glued it back up and it works absolutely perfect. But this is the smallest hole you will get, and this does absolutely brilliant blowing, cleaning of a lot of dust and crap from all your dirty consoles. So, nozzle 3. We have a flexible nozzle. Right, it's just basically almost like a flexible straw, really. This will attach onto your the one that I use nozzle. So you can get this into nooks and crannies. That, I daren't try that, because the amount of... you've reduced from this size to that size, to a little bit smaller for this size, and even smaller for the gap there. But the attachment goes like so, with a brush on the end. So you can turn this on, and brush at the same time, if you get really into the nitty-gritty parts of the computer. Now, I've not actually tried this one yet. This does seem a little bit too thin. It doesn't feel as powerful as that, but when you're inside a computer or a games console and you've got this turned on and you're going to certain bits. That just feels like a little bit like a blade or something, just to knock things out of the way with. Nice little brush things off with. I should have used these more often, to be honest, because most things I actually use when I'm cleaning is like a brush like this. I'll have the blower going and I'll brush at the same time, so why wouldn't I use that? I think that's quite a good idea, that I've completely forgot about that. So yeah, why wouldn't I? Set it on the side, can be on its side. As long as you don't block this, the bottom side of it, because it sucks the air in through the bottom. That's why it's on rubber feet and not flat to the floor. Like that, and clean away. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't do that to start with. Buy brushes. I'll do that more like that in future. But I have been pestered, because I've been pestering people, that this is actually such a good product. I'm not being sponsored, I just bought it and I bloody like it. I bloody love it, to be honest. Put it that way around so you don't see the damage I did. But yeah, CompuClean. If you want to clean your computer out and you're sick to death of buying compressed air buddy gas all the time, or using a vacuum cleaner to try and suck off all the dust, which is very awkward. I had an attachment to a vac which is similar to a brush. It just didn't seem to want to fit. I didn't have the right vacuum cleaner, it didn't seem to work. There, end of that story. These are absolutely brilliant. I love these to bits. So if CompuClean's out there and would like me to, yeah, if you'd like to sponsor me or something, or send me a new one, absolutely love these to bits. Can't recommend these enough for anybody cleaning computers, gadgets, tech, anything. Even if you just want to go of your desk, done, sorted. So anyway, thanks for watching. Not exactly retro tech, but it helps. It's a tool that I think is essential for retro tech. For the amount of crap that gets sucked into computers, this gets it out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.